हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज की क्लास में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं इंटर इंग्लिश ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन वीवीआई वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पे हम बात करेंगे जो 2022 के संभावित एग्जाम में ये प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे। इसलिए आप इसे जो है ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ें और इसे याद करें। हम शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। Indian civilization and culture has been written by. My first question is Indian civilization and culture has been written by. Option A Dr. Zakir Hussain. Option B Martin Luther. Option C M. Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा महात्मा गांधी, एम गांधी, महात्मा गांधी। नेक्स्ट, इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर इज, इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर इज अ स्पीच, अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी, एन एसे, अ प्ले। तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा Indian civilization and culture is an essay. An essay. Now come to the third question. Bharat is my home. Bharat is my home. Bharat is my home is drama, short story, speech, and essay. Bharat is my home is speech. Next, Dr. Zakir Hussain entered the office of president in a spirit of. Dr. Zakir Hussain, now come to the question 4. Dr. Zakir Hussain entered office of president in a spirit of. Option A total faith, total truth, total dedication, total डिस्ट्रक्शन। आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा टोटल डेडिकेशन, टोटल डेडिकेशन। नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन सेज दैट एजुकेशन इज अ। डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन सेज दैट एजुकेशन इज अ। ऑप्शन ए प्राइम इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ नेशनल पर्पस, first instrument of national purpose, true instrument of national purpose, good instrument of national purpose। तो हमारा आंसर सही हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए प्राइम इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ नेशनल पर्पस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a pinch of snuff is, a pinch of snuff is a short story, an essay, a drama, a speech. A pinch of snuff is a short story, an essay, a drama, a speech। आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा a short story। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मनोहर मालवणकर is an, मनोहर मालवणकर is an writer, Australian, African, Indo-Andean and Indonesian। Manohar Malvonekar is an writer। Option A Australian, Option B African, Option C Indo-Andean, Option D Indonesian। आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा Indo-Andean, Indo-Andean। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Nanu Kaka was the narrators. Nanu Kaka was the narrators. Nanu Kaka was the narrators. Maternal uncle, father, cousin, mother। सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा मैटरनल अंकल। नेक्स्ट, Nanu Kaka was coming from Delhi to, Nanu Kaka was coming from Delhi to. Nanu Kaka was coming from Delhi to see some people, see some minister, see his family, see some bakers. See some people, see some minister, see some family, see some baker. Nanu Kaka was coming from Delhi to see some people, some minister, some family, some baker. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा some ministers. Some ministers. I have a dream is part of a speech delivered by. I have a dream is a part of a speech delivered by Manohar Malvankar, H.E. Betts, Martin Luther, M. Gandhi. I have a dream is a part of a speech delivered by Manohar Malvankar, H.E. Betts, Martin Luther, महात्मा गांधी. सही आंसर हो जाएगा मार्टिन लूथर. Now the next. Emancipation proclamations gave the Negro. Emancipation proclamation gave the Negro slavery, freedom from slavery, captivity, despair. Slavery, freedom from slavery, captivity, despair. सही आंसर हो जाएगा freedom from slavery. Now come to 12. Bertrand Russell was a artist, dramatist, mathematician, geologist. Artist, dramatist, mathematician, geologist. सही आंसर हो जाएगा mathematician. Civilization has taught us be more. Civilization has taught us be more. Civilization has taught us be more. Brotherly, friendly, cordially, nobly. Brotherly, friendly, cordially, nobly. So ये आंसर हो जाएगा friendly. The artist is an essay, a short story, a speech, drama. An essay, a short story, a speech, drama. सही आंसर हो जाएगा a short story. खाली जगह blank space या fill in the blanks. Has written a pinch of snuff. Has written a pinch of snuff. Has written a pinch of snuff. महात्मा गांधी, डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन, मनोहर मालवणकर, D.H. Lawrence. Has written a pinch of snuff. Has written a pinch of snuff. महात्मा गांधी, जाकिर हुसैन, मनोहर मालवणकर, D.H. Lawrence. सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा मनोहर मालवणकर. Was a great lover of nature. Was a great lover of nature. Keats, Auden, R. Brooke, Robert Brooke, John Donne. So ये आंसर आपका हो जाएगा Keats. John Keats was a great lover of nature. Keats. Next, the earth is a drama, a speech, a short story, an essay. A drama, a speech, a short story, an essay. So ये आंसर आपका हो जाएगा a short story. Next, Benjay left school at the age of. Benjay left school at the age of. Benjay left school at the age of. Option A 13, option B 14, option C 15, option D 16. 13, 14, 15 and 16. सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा 14. नेक्स्ट, S. Buck. Pierre S. Buck was Pierre S. Buck was A oblique N by birth. Pierre S. Buck was A oblique N, fill in the blank, खाली स्थान, by birth. Option A African, option B Indonesian, option C British, option D American. African, Indian, ब्रिटिश, अमेरिकन. तो आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा एन, अमेरिकन. पियर एस बक वाज एन अमेरिकन बाय बर्थ. नेक्स्ट, a marriage proposal is a blank space act play. A marriage proposal is a fill in the blank act play. Option A 3, 4, 2, 1. सही आंसर हो जाएगा A 1 act play. 1 सही आंसर हो जाएगा. A marriage proposal is a 1 act play. Sweetest love I do not go is. Sweetest love I do not go is. Sweetest love I do not go is. Didactic poem, an allegorical poem, a love poem, none of these. So ये आंसर आपका हो जाएगा a love poem. Next, who has composed the poem Sweetest Love I Do Not Go? Who has composed the poem Sweetest Love I Do Not Go? John Donne, A. Marvell, Andrew Marvell, G. Herbert, George Herbert, none of these. John Donne, Andrew Marvell, George Herbert, none of these. Sweetest Love, John Donne. John Donne has composed the poem Sweetest Love I Do Not Go. Next, has been described a metaphysical poet. Has been described a metaphysical poet. J. Keats, John Keats, T.S. Eliot, John Donne, Walt Whitman. Has been described as metaphysical poet. John Keats, T.S. Eliot, John Donne, Walt Whitman. सही आंसर हो जाएगा जॉन डन. नेक्स्ट, Whitman was poet. Whitman was खाली जगह poet, an Indian, an American, a British, none of these. So Whitman was an Indian, American, a British, none of these. Was the an American poet. Next, come to 25. I celebrate myself and sing to myself. I celebrate myself and sing to myself is written by Walt Whitman, W.H. Auden, John Keats, W.B. Yeats. Walt Whitman, W.H. Auden, John Keats, W.B. Yeats. सही आंसर हो जाएगा वर्ल्ट विटमैन. नेक्स्ट, नाउ कम टू 26. Who has composed the poem Ode to Autumn? Who has composed the poem Ode to Autumn? Keats, Wordsworth, Coleridge, Shelley. सही आंसर हो जाएगा Keats. Next, Keats was poet. Keats was poet. Romantic, Victorian, modern, none of this. Keats was poet, romantic, Victorian, modern, none of this. So Keats was romantic poet. Next, an epitaph. An epitaph deals with a beautiful. An epitaph deals with a beautiful. Option A, girl, lady, a baby, none of this. So beautiful lady, सही आंसर है. Next, The poet thinks that is not everlasting. The poet thinks that is not everlasting. Option A beauty, option B cruelty, option C ugliness, option D love. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ब्यूटी. The poet thinks that is not everlasting. सही आंसर आपका होगा ब्यूटी. 13. Who composed the poem and epitaph? Who composed the poem and epitaph? Walter de la Mare. Who composed the poem and epitaph? Walter de la Mare. Who has composed the poem and epitaph? Walter de la Mare. According to Eliot, Macavity is the खाली जगह of crime. According to Eliot, Macavity is the of crime. Option A Hitler, option B Napoleon, option C Alexander, option D none of these. सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा नेपोलियन. According to Eliot, Macavity is the Napoleon of crime. Next. Who composed the poem Macavity, the Mysterious Cat? Who composed the poem Macavity, the Mysterious Cat? Option A T.S. Eliot, B W.B. Yeats, C W.H. Auden, और D none of these. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. Next, Eliot was a poet, was dramatist, critic, all of these. तो इलियट के केस में क्या है, इलियट पोएट भी है, ड्रामेटिस्ट भी है और क्रिटिक भी है. यहाँ सही हो जाएगा all of this. The term Zoroastrian inspired him stand for Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Parsi. सही आंसर हो जाएगा आपका पारसी. नेक्स्ट. Who composed the poem Fire Hymn? Who composed the poem Fire Hymn? K.N. दारूवाला, कमला दास, J. महापात्रा, none of this. तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा K.N. दारूवाला. Next 37. K.N. दारूवाला received साथिया अकादमी अवार्ड in. K.N. दारूवाला received साथिया अकादमी अवार्ड in. Option A 1983, option B 1984, option C 1985, option D 1986. सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा 1984. Next. Fire hymn deals with ghat. Fire hymn deals with ghat. Bathing, burning, drinking, none of these. तो fire hymn deals with burning ghat, जहाँ पे जलाया जाता है. Fire hymn deals with burning ghat. Next. Tower of Silence is related to. Tower of Silence is related to Parsi, Sikh, Hindu, none of these. So ये आंसर आपका हो जाएगा पारसी. Tower of Silence is related to Parsi. Now come to 39. Snack is written by option A John Donne, option B Kamala Das, option C D.H. Lawrence, option D Walt Whitman. Option A John Donne, option B Kamala Das, option C D.H. Lawrence, option D Walt Whitman. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा D.H. Lawrence. Next. D.H. Lawrence belonged to Britain, France, America, none of these. D.H. Lawrence belongs to Britain, France, America, none of these. सही आंसर आपका हो जाएगा ब्रिटेन. D.H. Lawrence belongs to Britain. 41. My grandmother's house is retained by. My grandmother's house is retained by. My grandmother's house is written by Kamala Das, D.H. Lawrence, K.N. Daruwala, J. Dunn, John Dunn. Kamala Das, D.H. Lawrence, K.N. Daruwala, John Dunn. सही आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा कमला दास. Kamala Das. Next 42. Kamala Das remembered the happy days spent in company of her. Kamala Das remembered the happy days spent in the company of her. Option A mother, B father, C grandmother, D grandfather. Mother, father, grandmother, grandfather. सही आंसर हो जाएगा grandmother. Now come to the 43. Kamala Das is an poetess. Kamala Das is an fill in the blank poetess. Option A American, option B African, option C Indian, option D Nigerian. American, African, Indian, Nigerian. सही आंसर हो जाएगा Indian. Kamala Das is an Indian poetess. Next 42, 44. Who used to live with her grandmother? Kamala Das, Mahadevi Verma, Indira Gandhi, none of these. Kamala Das, Mahadevi Verma, Indira Gandhi, none of these. तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा कमला दास. Come to 45. The soldier is a poem. The soldier is a poem. Option A love, option B happy, option C nature, option D war. The soldier is a war poem. The soldier is a war poem. The soldier is a war poem. Next 46. The first fill in the blanks lines are called octave. 6, 8, 9 and 5. The first 8 lines are called octave. The first 8 lines are called octave. 47. Was the long cherished dream of Negroes? Was the long cherished dream of Negroes? Option A slavery, option B poverty, option C luxury, option D freedom. Was the long cherished dream of Negroes slavery, poverty, luxury, freedom? आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा freedom. Freedom. Now come to 48. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the president of India in. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the president of India in. Option A 1969, 1967, 1966, 1965. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा 1967. Now come to the 49. Was the role model of Dr. Zakir Hussain? Who was the role model? Was the role model of Dr. Zakir Hussain? Option A, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Indira Gandhi. Option D, none of these. I Gandhi मतलब Indira Gandhi. Was the role model of Zakir Hussain? Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Indira Gandhi, none of this. आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णन. डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णन. Now come to the final 50. Done things that is certain. Done. John Donne. Done things that is certain. Death, walk, life, walking. Death, walk, life, walking. तो जन क्या सोचता है? Death is certain. Done things that death is certain. सही आंसर वहां क्या हो जाएगा? डेथ। डेथ इज सर्टेन। स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हमने 50 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पढ़े हैं। ये 50 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये 2022 के फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जो है बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए आप इसे याद करें।